This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Stephen Coburn. A solid brick ranch home in Eton, Georgia, on 1.38 acres, is located just off US Highway 411 in a busy, fast-growth area of Murray County. Eton is just 3 miles north of the busy Chatsworth intersection of GA Highway 52 and US 411. There is a daily influx of manufacturing workers employed at nearby carpet mills, and new industries, such as General Electric, have recently been established just up the road. The intersection of US Highway 411 and State Highway 286 is teeming with multiple businesses. New home developments on Highway 286 and nearby schools contribute to increased daily traffic. The home offers many possibilities as a standalone business. Additionally, the availability of public sewer, water, natural gas, and fast internet makes this a prime location for many types of companies. For more information,